Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day. Today's video is a reveal of some products that I got from an auction. So this was a silent auction that was online, and it was through the Junior League. I'm a member of the Junior League, and every year they do an auction. So I won these things. These are all Charlotte Tilbury items, and it's a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to show you what I got so I can go and start using it because it's just been sitting here. All right, so they put it in this bag, which is really cute. I guess could be reused for another gift. It's like Santa's sack. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. First of all, oh cool, I haven't really looked at these things. They've been in this bag ever since I got them, so it's almost a reveal to myself too. This is the Pillow Talk Lip Secrets. It looks like a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. And these are in the Pillow Talk colors. It's kind of hard to see because everything's written in rose gold, and with the light shining, it's kind of hard to see. But this is the Matte Revolution lipstick. It doesn't say what color. The Lip Cheat, which I do have and I really do like. And then the Collagen Lip Bath. So this is the Pillow Talk, and mine has been, I've used about half of mine, so I'm glad to get a brand new one. This is also the Pillow Talk gloss and the Pillow Talk lipstick, Matte Revolution lipstick. Love it. I've definitely been a fan of the Pillow Talk line, so I'm happy to get these and to actually try them. Next we have a palette. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. Oh, it's the Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. That's what it is. It's not a palette. And I've definitely wanted to try this because I see it all the time on YouTube and people love it. Okay, good. So this is the color 1 Fair. So definitely my shade. Yeah, I'm excited about using this. Next, we have the Bar of Gold palette. So 3 skin gilding highlighters. Nice. Oh, this is what the package looks like. I mean, her packaging, honestly, it's probably the best packaging out there, in my opinion. It's just so pretty. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Those are pretty. Next, I have 2 smaller boxes here. So we have the Eye Smudger brush. Okay, so I don't have any of the Charlotte Tilbury brushes. Oh, nice. So just a little smudger. You can see the tip there. So I can tell this is a good brush too. And the Color Chameleon Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil, Bronzed Garnet. I don't have any of these, I don't think. So that's what it looks like there. Oh, that's going to be pretty color. Another little box. This is the Brow Lift 3-way Shape, Lift, and Shade tool. So I guess this is a brow brush. Oh no. Okay, so one end is the spoolie. And then the other end, all right, so there's the actual product there. And I don't know if they only have one color. Really say that there's a specific color. Yeah, I don't think it's a specific color. Maybe there's another brand. Is it It Cosmetics? I think It Cosmetics that only has like one, and depending on how hard you press is the color that you're gonna get. Is that it? I think it is. Yeah, there's no color. Next, we have the Easy Smoky Eye Palette. Again, with this pretty packaging. Okay, I'm gonna show you. First, I'm going to show you the palette, then I'm going to show you what was in it. All right, so this is the palette. So this is a great palette, I think, to take, like if you're going somewhere on a short trip or something, because it has a variety of colors in it that can do a variety of things. The little plastic that was on top here, I know that you can't see it very well, but it has 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Let me try to show you like that. There you go. So it tells you this is day and then this is night. Again, so sorry about the lights, but so day and night here. And it tells you prime, enhance, and smoke. So for 1, 2, and 3 for the day, and then prime, enhance, and smoke for the night. So that's pretty cool. Here's another one. This is the Eye Blender brush. Okay, awesome. I don't want to take it off because it'll mess up the bristles there, but that's a nice brush. I swear you can never have too many blender brushes. Told y'all I got a lot right. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focused Beauty Flash. I have never tried this. Oh yeah, I have wanted to try this. So this is, I think that you put it on, you can either put it on by itself and that's it, or you can put it on under your foundation. And it has, you can see it down here, like there's a slight shimmer to it, but I've heard or watched videos online and people just wear this. I actually have the foundation that's the Wonder, I don't think it's Wonder Glow, but it's in a tube just like this. I didn't wear it today, but I wear it probably about half the time. I'm interested to see what this does with that with the foundation. Next, we have the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Pretty. I mean, the packaging, come on. Okay, I think this is the last thing. And this is in a pretty bag. It just says Scent of a Dream, Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, nice. Charlotte's Magic Skin Secrets, the ultimate travel size skincare innovations. We have the Goddess Clay Mask, the serum, something serum, let's see. Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, so that's what that is there. And then here is the Magic Cream in that little pot. And then on the end is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Healthy or Beauty Glow Primer. Is that the same thing as this one? Okay, I don't think so. I don't think it's the same as this one that we just looked at because this says primer on it and then this one just has Beauty Flash. So I'm definitely going to try both of those under that foundation that I have. So a lot of goodies. I'm going to have to set aside like 2 weeks just to use Charlotte Tilbury products because I got pretty much everything. Except for mascara. I think really I got everything, right? So I pretty much have a full face, so that's awesome. So if you have any Charlotte Tilbury products that you are just like, that you just love, and they are your ride or die products, let me know what they are down below. So this was a really cool auction win. I think it's probably my first ever auction that I've ever done, and it was a lot of fun. It wasn't cheap, but I definitely got everything way below what I would have gotten it like at Nordstrom or online or whatever. So I'm really happy to have all these products and to try some more Charlotte Tilbury stuff. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day and I will see you in my next one. Bye.